Hello again. Rolex pocket watch, 9 carats, solid gold. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to date this pocket watch and how to wind up and set up the hands. So, first thing we need to do is to set up the hands. Pull out the crown and start rotate them clockwise direction. You can rotate them opposite clockwise direction, but always preferable way is to do that clockwise direction. The time now is 10 past 10. 10 past 10. Push back the crown. And now, you see, the watch doesn't work. Now we're gonna start spinning the crown. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's it. Once feel resistance, don't go any further, because this will damage the mainspring. So that's it. Once feel resistance, just stop there. You don't need to go any further. So now we have to open the back cover. First one, big one. I'm gonna use my nail to do that. I'm always use my nail to do that. Just I'm gonna put my nail here and go like this. Oops. See, click, and the back cover is open. Other way to do that is click back. Some people using some metal tools to do that, but metal tools will leave the signs on the gold case, and we don't need that. Other way to do that is to use that plastic tool. I'm gonna show you how. You have to put that tool here and just push a bit. That's it. The back cover, it's open. You see, amazing condition of gold case. Amazing condition. Stunning condition. So now, to date this watch, we have to focus on this letter here. In this case, this letter, it's E. This shows us that this pocket watch has been made in year 1929. So it's around, this pocket watch, it's around 86, 87 years old and looks like just coming out from the factory. Amazing condition. So we have some other stamps here. 375, this shows us the purity of gold. 9, and we have ALD on the bottom. And we have here anchor. This anchor shows us that all of those stamps has been made in Birmingham in year 1929. Now we have to open the second cover of this watch. Same way, my nail. It's a bit tough, but I'm gonna try it with my other nail. Yes, same way. Click. That's it. Amazing condition. We have some other stamps here. Denison Watch Case Ltd. This shows us the producer of this pocket watch case. And now I'm going to show you the movement of this pocket watch. Amazing condition of pocket watch movement. Beautiful. Perfect working condition. How you see? We have here on this movement, we have a micro regulator. This thing here. This micro regulator allowed us to regulate the time with high precision. So I'm going to show you some other things. We have a stamp here, 375. Actually, each element of this pocket watch has a stamp 375. There is no element of this pocket watch without it. So I'm gonna close back the cover. And second one. There is two more stamps here. One stamp here, 275. One stamp here also. So that's it. This watch will be for sale now. So if there is any interest, just let me know on my email. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon. Thank you.